I spent the first 30 years of my life searching for a feeling of purpose, a feeling of connection, a feeling of being desired and appreciated. I was searching for this feeling in all the wrong places, through romantic relationships, through career achievements, through nightclubs, and worst of all, through the validation and opinions of others. Nothing in my life was working out the way I wanted it to. Nothing was giving me that feeling I was searching for. And all of a sudden, I spiraled into a depression. I was what appeared to be happy on the outside. I wore a smile. Things looked perfect from the outside. But on the inside, I felt lost, scared, and alone. I don't even know how it happened or how I got to that saddened state. Have you ever been at a space where things looked a lot better on the outside than they felt on the inside? I remember sitting on my sofa, staring at the clock every day, waiting for 5 p.m. because that's when it felt acceptable for me to have a glass of wine to take the edge off. I remember this one particular day, sitting there waiting, and all of a sudden I burst into tears. I felt desperate, I felt scared, and for the first time, I started to listen to my inner guidance system because I wasn't willing to take it anymore. I wasn't willing to go down the lonely, dark road I was on. I listened to an ever-knowing feeling in the pit of my stomach telling me there had to be more. I just had a deep knowing that there was more to life than what I was currently experiencing. Can you relate? Have you ever felt like there has to be more? I knew I needed a purpose, and I was desperate to find one. This discomfort activated me to search the one place I hadn't searched for happiness and fulfillment. My intuition led me on a path to study joy and purpose and research how science can actually help someone make their dreams come true. The discomfort in my average and ordinary life led me to quantum physics. These are the tools that have helped me to become fully alive, passionate, happy, and fulfilled. And I'm excited to share them with you today so you can also become fully alive, passionate, and lit up from the inside out. Now, when I ask you what quantum physics means to you, some of you are like, quantum physics? Quantum what? Quantum when? Quantum who? And I can totally relate because I've been there too. Some of you already know what quantum physics is, and it's an exciting conversation. And then there are those of you that are now intrigued. You want to know about quantum physics so we can do something magical in your life, just like it's done in mine. 6 years ago, I didn't even know what the term quantum physics meant. And once I learned about quantum physics and these 5 quantum tools to catapult my dreams, I blew my own mind. I became crystal clear on my purpose. I became a best-selling author. I created a profitable, thriving, mission-based business fully aligned with my dreams and became a successful thought leader, inspiring thousands to their highest truth. My life is now filled with joy and excitement, but it's not enough for just me to be happy. And what really hurts my heart is there's so many great people with amazing dreams of transforming lives, traveling the world, earning great money so that they can touch and inspire more people with that great money. And so many of these people never see their dreams come to pass because they don't understand how to utilize the tools of quantum physics. What are your big dreams? Your dreams are not supposed to die with you. You're supposed to live and breathe these dreams. I am deeply passionate about this topic because I believe that we're living in a time when the responsibility is on us, as well as the opportunity available to us to find, to seek out, to create happy lives. Okay, so this is gonna be a simplified version of a class you either loved or a class you loved to avoid. Have you ever walked into a room and you just felt lit up instantly? You felt good energy. You felt alive, inspired, high vibrations were flowing, and you just knew it was going to be a good day. Yeah? That is energy flowing. On the other hand, have you ever walked into a room and it just didn't feel good? It felt heavy and low vibe and like you just wanted to avoid it. Nothing bad had even happened yet. You just want it out of there. That is energy as well. We feel high vibes and we feel low vibes. This is what I'm talking about. Quantum physics proves that everything emits energy. You are skin. You are bones. We are physical matter, but we're also energy. Some of you might be thinking this sounds a little woo-woo, but it's real, it's science, and it's proven. Let me show you what I mean. This is a graph of the Hertz vibration scale, and this demonstrates the frequencies in which our emotions emit. What that means is based on the way that you're feeling and the thoughts that you're thinking, you send out a signal, an energy that reflects your outer world. When you tune into a specific frequency, you receive that frequency. Just like on the radio, when you tune in to a certain channel, you receive the frequency of that channel. And on a TV, when you tune in to that channel, you receive the frequency of that channel. Each and every one of you, if you can hear my voice, you have the capability, the capacity to embody a frequency that matches your dreams. And it's your job to always engage the highest vibration available to you. Some of the lower vibrations, as you can see on the chart, are anger, grief, shame, fear. Some of the higher vibrations are love, joy, appreciation, and excitement. You're always going to have a feeling running through you, and the more you can manage that feeling to be a higher vibration, the more you're going to receive circumstances and opportunities that match that feeling. What's most exciting about this is I've not only seen it work in my own life, I've seen it work in thousands of clients' lives as well. It could be a financial gain or a self-worth or self-love gain. There's one client I witnessed go from serving 2 people to 2,000 people using these tools. I've witnessed clients double, triple, quadruple their income and even create consistent 6-figure months using these quantum tools. There was one client that was feeling very disconnected with a low self-worth, and after implementing these quantum tools, her relationships were off the charts, her levels of fulfillment were through the roof, and she had joy and happiness where she once had shame and fear. This is the juice. These are the quantum tools for you to start implementing now. Quantum tool number 1, understanding the basics of quantum physics. My feelings emit a frequency. The higher my frequency, the higher my vibration, the faster and easier my dreams will flow to me. The energy I put out will be matched with the energy I get back. 3 easy ways to turn up your vibration: exercise, laughter, meditation. There are many, but these are some that you can use right now. Quantum tool number 1, turn up your frequency. Quantum tool number 2, set a powerful intention to align with the energy of love or above. We're human beings. We're gonna ebb and flow. Create an awareness of where you are in relationship to where your dreams are. And if you start to feel it sad, angry, annoyed, that's okay. Feel it, be with it, and honor it. Because in the honoring and awareness of our feelings, we can release them with love. Be willing to witness your process, let it go, and then turn it back up. Quantum tool number 2, set a powerful intention to align with the energy of love or above right write that down. Quantum tool number 3, shift your energy to what you actually desire. I want you guys to play with me for just a moment here. Close your eyes. Take a big deep breath in, breathing into your heart. Asking yourself the question, if I could have, do, be, say anything, what would I be doing? There are no limits. The sky is the limit. Breathing in deeper into your heart, asking, if I can have, be, do, say, create anything, what would I be doing? What is my deepest desire? How would I be feeling? Who would I be impacting? When you're ready, you can open your eyes to the room. You just connected to your heart's desires, the dreams of your soul, not what the logical mind thinks is possible. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make is they go after what they believe they can accomplish instead of what they truly desire. Stay focused no matter what, no matter who agrees with you, no matter who doesn't agree with you, no matter how far out there it seems. Stay focused on the highest version of your dream. This is the magic of quantum physics. Shift your energy, shift your focus, shift your vibration, and become an energetic match to what you truly desire. Quantum tool number 3, shift your energy to what lights you up. Quantum tool number 4, surround yourself with people and energy that elevate you. Observe your environment. Notice how you're walking through life. Are you surrounding yourself with people that are making you stretch, helping you leap, encouraging you to tippy-toe to be the best version of you? If you are, you're around high vibrational people. Stay around them. Let them energize you, encourage you, and keep you running. Are you around people that drain the energy out of you, leave you feeling anxious, tired, and weighted? If so, be aware of that. Notice how you spend your hours in the day. Are you spending your hours having conversations that excite you and lift you? Or are you spending your hours consuming content that leaves you feeling uninspired and hopeless? Quantum physics and energy is a 24/7 experience. How are you spending your 24/7? Quantum tool number 4, surround yourself with energy that elevates you. Write that down. Quantum tool number 5, never give up and stand strong for what it is you truly desire. Always focus on the mantra, things are always working out for me, even if it feels like they're not, even if it seems like it's impossible. When you can focus on the mantra of knowing things are always working out for you and there's a higher plan at play, you automatically turn up your frequency. Make quitting not an option. Make higher vibration your non-negotiable. Make living at an energy that is new, exciting, extraordinary, and above loving not an option. You've heard the term never giving up before, but can you make never giving up not an option? Now, for this year, what does it look like to make your finances and your financial growth not an option? What does it look like to make your relationship happy and healthy not an option? What does it feel like to make losing that 5, 15, 30 pounds not an option? Energy goes where energy flows. Quantum tool number 5, stand strong for what is not an option for you. Sometimes I look at my life today and I'm blown away because there was a time when all I saw was a need to please those around me. And when all I saw was a sadness, and when all I saw was a small version of the woman I knew I could be. But today, I am lit up with the woman who greets me in the mirror. I'm far from perfect, and I still have a lot of levels to turn up in my own life, but I am blown away at who I've become. And one of the major tools in becoming the woman I am today is quantum physics, understanding energies and frequencies and vibrations in my body, understanding I control the energy that greets me and I control the energy that left me. Understanding how much power I have was one of my biggest awakenings. And so I leave you with this. Where in your life are you going to commit to turn it up right now? Pick a category to turn up your vibration in, starting now. How many of you want to turn up your vibration in the area of love? How many of you want to turn up your vibration in the area of joy? How many of you want to turn up your vibration in the area of abundance, resilience, laughter, playfulness, forgiveness, self-love, grace? Where do you want to turn it up? You have more power than you can ever imagine. There is no circumstance, no person, no place that has the power to take you out of your positive energy source. You are the only person that controls the frequency in which you choose to operate with. And I came here to help you turn it up, to tell you when you think you've hit your ceiling, open the roof. When you feel like you've hit your max, expand a little more, turn it up a little higher. You'll be surprised by the man or the woman that you become. Feel the energy right now? Feel the frequency right now in the room? That is called turning the dial up, and I'm here to help you turn it up. I want you to wake up and be blown away by your life. That is my wish for each and every one of you. Thank you.